Well, the day's here, my love.
Aye, finally, moving in day.
We've tried the rug and we've tried the little chair, so now it's time to see what's left of our furniture that's down in the barn.
What hasn't been eaten?
Well, hopefully the mice have been concentrating on the biscuits in the family room and not on the furniture.
Well, it must be nearly a year since we wrapped and packed and everything in the van and it went, so
yeah,
it has been in storage.
It's been in storage, yeah.
And we haven't seen any of it.
We
have no idea. It's been in darkness, in storage.
In a few storages.
And I'm a bit scared to see what it's like.
Well, we'll go and see what it's like down in the barn, and
get it up here.
We know where they are, so it won't take long to dig them out.
No, I'm just a bit scared.
Be all right.
Yeah, come on then.
What's the worst that could happen?
They're all eaten. Come on then, let's go and see.
Well, he's on.
So we've got a bit of the furniture, haven't we?
A bit.
The important bits.
Yeah.
Mum's too excited again. She's just
like,
ripping straight
it's
into
like
it.
Christmas already. It has been a year since we've seen you,
Yeah.
so
And we'd only had it 2 years when we got it.
yeah, we've got a bit of digging in the padding, but that'll come back out. Something's big, the chair's been sat on top.
sat on top of it.
Yeah.
We'll just have to fluff that up. Well, it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
It was only from the charity shop anyway, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All this wood stuff and this little
Yeah.
cheap chair.
So look, no signs of anything, not even any damp.
Oh. I was really.
Oh, what's this? Oh God.
I was really. This has been my main worry since. Maybe fall asleep on it because that's all I used to
Do you need another big one?
Yeah.
Are there different?
No, they're all the same. Yeah, these are all they're all the same.
I think that's it.
This is for the single chair.
No, that's
I think all the
that's for the
cushions.
single.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, and these. I was going to say one of them probably bigger.
Smells nice. Even after a year, it still smells nice.
They've been all wrapped up like this, so
Been shrink wrapped.
yeah.
Louise at home already.
I know.
I know what she's like.
Yeah.
I don't know what Louise like.
You only have to worry about.
He's like, yeah! I got my chair back! I got my chair back!
Oh, bless him.
You remember this, don't you?
This, you won't be getting any Christmas presents.
No. It's only unwrapping for the year.
I don't feel guilty about not going shopping now.
I know, Louise, this is your chair. Yeah, do you know what I'm going to bring you here? So you can look out that window now.
Cushion.
Even I can plug these ones.
I think that might look nice under that window.
Yeah, that's where you're going to have it when, yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, the two-seater is going to be here. One seater's going to be there.
Yeah, watch yourself, Lou. You'll have to make some things for it.
Yeah.
I had some, but they're all got soggy.
No, further out.
Yeah, it wants to come.
Yeah. Just so you can get your, because you're going to have your curtains.
Yeah.
Your curtains will be here.
Yeah.
And then that one, you'll have like more here.
Yeah. Coming along this way a bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that might come round a bit more.
Yeah.
I'd have them like that.
Because the telly's going here.
Yeah, straight up a bit more.
I probably prefer it
Come in
going
a minute.
straight. Just straight.
There's a bit too much.
No, I don't like that at all.
No,
Like that?
I would say come in, if it was me, I would have that end more, this corner more about here.
No.
John House.
Well, let's get the unit in first and see.
Well, your doorway's there, so you need to come straight down here.
No one's using that door.
No,
Boxing that up.
No, that's not a
Stay
throwaway.
locked and I'm hiding the key.
Yeah, but no, like your
Yeah.
entrance point's there, and then you want it you don't want it focused on your TV, you want it focused on the fire. So it needs to be okay. So it's like a nice cozy area, you know.
You know where I'm like, straight lines.
Nice.
I'm hoping.
You can have them a bit further back if you want.
Well, it's this time of the year is not so bad, so you need
No.
to find a fire, don't you?
Yeah.
In the summer, obviously.
Yeah.
You can.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that. Still got to stand from Middleburg.
Goes perfect in here, like, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Love it.
It's like a little show home.
Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. I'll be advertising, won't we?
Yeah.
I'll let something like that, doesn't it? I'll probably put me log basket in there as well, maybe. Might fit in. I might put the little in here and the big one
I'll
in that
put the
corner.
little one that side,
Yeah.
yeah.
I would put the big one in that corner.
The big one turned.
Yeah, it fits right in,
Yeah,
doesn't
it
it?
just slots straight in.
Yeah.
That, I'll have to get a smaller one to go in there. Won't fit in. That was my like, since it got here, all I've like worried about,
Yeah.
especially material, because you read about it every day, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice.
So easy.
Mm-hmm.
Just down and then I'll get the other in. For now.
Yeah, it'd be nice
Look, the Christmas decoration from last year. Oh no, it's one of Jonathan's toys.
Hey, coming together.
Yeah.
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 I like that there,
Yeah,
yeah.
that there.
Yeah.
There's room for a lamp in the corner.
No.
There is.
I
Nice
don't like
little-
standard lamps.
I know, but
Do you know?
there's room for one.
Got plenty.
So it's just this one.
Yeah, then just the last big one.
Well, it's only 7:30, it'll come to about where the end of it is.
I can move this up a bit more.
Yeah, but it won't. It won't normally, it'll just go over the hole.
I know. And if we had to, I'd just pull this out of it.
Yeah.
If we had to. It's not a little door that's going to be used every day.
No. It is like a sliding barn door you're looking at, isn't it?
Yeah,
On like
yeah.
the metal runners.
Yeah.
Well, I
Just to
quite
help
like
them.
it. We looked at the plain ones, but it's quite nice, the one I've seen. It sounds a bit gory being...
No, I like
but
it.
it's quite nice.
Yeah,
It
it's
looks
on
like
the black ones,
described as a cottage door.
Yeah.
So it will go nice in here. And we
It's
can
similar actually.
Well, we can do it this colour.
Yeah.
Similar colour to these. I think.
So yeah, I think that'll go nice on there. I mean, we'll very, very rarely use it, so
Yeah.
it's
More of a show
I think it'll
thing.
look nice instead of just a normal plain
Yeah.
open and shutting door, you know.
Definitely, I think so.
And I
Yeah.
seen, I thought, oh, it's kind of, I did see it in Brico
Yeah.
ages ago, and thought about them for bedroom doors. To be honest,
Yeah.
when I seen them, but it probably wouldn't have worked upstairs.
Yeah.
Because really upstairs is, even though it's all one, it's going to be totally different to here.
Here. Yeah.
The
Yeah.
furniture all matches, it's all from the same place.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
upstairs will be a little bit more modern and not so much country. This is very older now, isn't it? Looking, you know, cottage style, isn't it?
Yeah. It is. It is like a very like country cottage, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's with all like the solid wood.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is. It's looking good.
Love it.
It's getting there.
Yeah.
What's next?
A cup of tea. Pick Jonathan up from school.
Well, It's looking brilliant already. The next bits I think will be the Christmas tree, won't it?
Yes, I'm going to go get that out and
Nice
probably
some
get...
curtains.
I'll have to make them.
Yeah.
I get Jonathan to help me decorate that probably over the weekend.
Yeah, that'd be
Yeah.
good. Definitely.
He's going to have a busy weekend, painting his bedroom and decorating the tree.
Yeah.
I know.
And he's got a carol service.
Bless him.
Yeah, I love it. No, this is in its made
Yeah.
room, hasn't it now?
Yeah, now you can start to see it all come together.
Yeah.
It's looking good.
Yeah, I love it.
Brilliant.
Mm-hmm.
Good, good.
There's a very good change.
On the second day of Christmas, my chateau gave to me 2 French builders and a donkey that won't go to sleep.
If you'd like to join us on our family journey, bringing back this once forgotten chateau, then please join us on Patreon for behind the scenes footage, updates, live chats and your very own piece of the chateau.